Welcome back to Kids Fun Toys. Today we're going to do a review on these LED shoes for kids. Now these are pretty cool. We got these off of Amazon for $40, and what they do is they have rechargeable batteries inside. They're also Velcro across, so it's really easy for the kids to put back on. And it just takes a USB cord it comes with here. It doesn't come with the charging adapter, but it'll fit any of your home charger USB adapters. So this right here plugs in there, and that one will plug into there, and then you just plug that into your USB to charge them. And to change the settings on the shoes, Emily will demonstrate. Go ahead.
You just press the charger.
Yeah, keep going. What else do they do?
Then they could turn off, and you could change the colors. And this one, it could, wait, hold it. This one can just light up like that.
That's cool. All right, let's go outside and test them out in the dark.